Hey guys, it's your favorite Bumblebee, and today we are making another summer delight. As you can tell, I'm not even going to try to use my phone mic. This time we are making a dessert drink that you can have anytime during the day. To be honest, I've never seen anything like my creation before, so you'll definitely get to try something new. I hope you really like fruit for this recipe. Now, let's get on with it. For this recipe, you will need True Lime Black Cherry Limeade packet, 1 1/4 or 355 milliliters of water, some crushed ice that we will use later, 3 cherries, cut 1 1/2 into halves and the other 1 1/2 into fourths, 1/4 cup or 85 grams of blueberries, 3 strawberries sliced, 1/4 cup or 85 grams of blackberries, 1 1/2 cups or 510 grams of watermelon cubed. This is honestly the best part of the recipe. The best part about this, you can change the amount or type of fruit or berry to your preference and make it your own. If you want, you can add something like apples or canteloup, or maybe you can remove the cherries if you don't like them or have them. You don't have to follow everything exactly. That's what's so cool about this. Put your fruit mixture into a large bowl, like my amazing mason jar from Damaris. Rest in peace, girl. I love you and miss you. Close the bottle and put it into the freezer for at least an hour. And don't do it any more than 3 hours. Get your water and put it into the freezer for about 30 minutes or into the fridge for an hour. Combine 3/4 cup or about 180 milliliters with fruit. Next, add crushed ice with the rest of the water until you reach about 1 3/4, or less if you don't want so much ice in your drink. Put the rest of the water into the jar. Open your black cherry limeade packet and pour that baby in. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it! And you're done! Grab a fork or just use your hands and dig into your delicious treat. Well, I hope you liked this summer delight. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you again. Bye!